Warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So today we are welcome to the Prophet Muhammad days. So in the name of He, the created everyone and everything. The Creator. Indeed, today is a great day to me to speak of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The topic is characters of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet Muhammad is the most knowledgeable of people. He is the most obstinate of people. He is the most noble of people. He is the most generous of people. He is the most forgivers of people. And he is the most humble of people. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.